This is where we hold them! This is where we fight! This is where they die!
You will remember this moment as you dig into me, and from your smile now it seems as if you're lying dead. You'd better cherish this moment as you dig into me. You'll never get another chance at this. Better yet, I won't stand another minute of your questioning me. You hear me, it's not the interrogations over. I can't handle the feeling of your pestering me. How would you like to meet my favorite fish? Better yet, no, you can't renege. I'd love to see you beg. I'm free this moment as you run away. You would only separate me from what I believe in this moment in brutality. You're the one who kept on pushing till I made you bleed. It seems your brother's been stolen since he stood up to me. I tell you now, you know I think I really like it. So learn a lesson from someone who will never repeat the many tragic mistakes of his past. Better yet, I hope you're safe in this moment as you're still on your feet. So keep it quiet now, I think you're gonna like it. Words have the consequences when they're spoken to me. Better be careful when you're writing checks. Better yet, don't you question how I stand above you. Now I'm free this moment as you run away. You would only separate me from what I believe in this moment in brutality. You're the one who kept on pushing till I made you bleed. Better yet, better yet. Now you know the answer. Save yourself from danger. I cannot forget how all of this began. I know you know the answer. Save yourself from danger. Beaten by a stranger, blood still on his hands. I'm being this moment as you run away. You would only separate me from what I believe in this moment in brutality. You're the one who kept on pushing till I made you bleed. Better yet, better yet. Better yet, better yet.
We can find our desires. But when we stop making files, we get ever so lost. That we like it or not. They say we can love who we trust. But what is up with our love? Two hearts with a current emotions. What are feelings without emotions? I'm going in for the kill. I'm doing it for a thrill. I'm hoping you'll understand and not let go of my hand. I'm going in for the kill. I'm doing it for a thrill. I'm hoping you'll understand and not let go of my hand.
I'm going in and I'ma go hard. I mean, what's the point if it ain't no scars? A little teeth marks, blood on the collar, that's real love. How could you love someone that hurt you, plays you, spoke to provoke you? How could you love someone that burns you, turns you into a werewolf? And in the moment you might do some things you're not aware of. No one's prepared for or scared of, just not a feel of. And more and more drama, looking for a score. State you're looking for a tour. Her allure is more couture, tailor-made to your screams of rage. I mean, I'm breaking out the damn cage. Hannibal Lecter, my American Psycho, an iller version of Iko, the thriller version of Michael. My recital is as bright as the light show up at the Eiffel. A werewolf up in Paris, I'm living off your vitals. I mean, I'll be your con man, I'll be your damn liar. Let's start the interview, I'll be a vampire. I gotta feel you, bite your neck to get familiar. And if you die, guess what? I fucking kill you.